If you are using your Samsung Galaxy phone, and nowadays it has come with beautiful features, out of which the maintenance mode is the best one. Believe me, whenever you use your phone, and you will be saving so many information out of all apps, and so much of information is even stored on your mobile phone. All these things, whenever you give it for some repair to third party or any other persons, would be seen so easily. But if you want not to be viewed by them all your privacy contents, you can set your mobile with maintenance mode. How do you do? We are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. To get into maintenance mode, initially you have to get into the top right corner. Here the settings icon is facilitating you to get into the settings. Tap it here. Upon tapping, you will be entering into settings, and under the settings, so much of menu is given here. Just scroll up, somewhere you'll find like device care option on your Samsung Galaxy. Go and tap it on device care here on your settings. Device care would let you fall into so many options, like it will take care of your battery, storage, memory, app protection, everything what not. Along with that, so many other options are also given here. At the end, on your Samsung Galaxy, you'll find maintenance mode under device care, under the settings option, and go and just tap it on maintenance mode. You'll yourself understand everything is written very clear. And this maintenance mode obviously turn off all such things. It will hide all those privacy related information, and only company given apps will be shown to that particular repair person or third party, whoever is viewing your phone. Rest all whatever you have downloaded through Google Play Store or some other way, it won't be shown to those persons. Whatever the photos, videos you have taken would be made as a privacy, and it will not be shown to him until and unless if you unlock the mobile and give it to him. So if you turn on this one maintenance mode, everything would be closed for the third person. Just go and turn on, that's all. Boom, you can from now onwards have your privacy so easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.